Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Vercel AI SDK versus LangChain, two prominent tools for AI development. The Vercel AI SDK is a TypeScript toolkit, perfect for crafting AI-powered user interfaces and applications, especially within modern web frameworks. On the other hand, LangChain is an open-source framework designed for building sophisticated applications with large language models, focusing on intricate workflows and extensive integrations. Understanding their core differences is key to choosing the right tool for your project. The Vercel AI SDK shines in its ability to simplify AI integration. It provides a unified API that abstracts away the complexities of different model providers, cutting down on repetitive code. This SDK is particularly strong for creating real-time streaming user interfaces, making it ideal for interactive chatbots and other conversational AI applications. Its seamless integration with popular web frameworks like React, coupled with robust type safety, offers a smooth and efficient development experience for front-end engineers. LangChain stands out with its powerful modular architecture, enabling developers to construct complex AI workflows using components like chains, agents, and memory. It boasts an impressive array of integrations, connecting large language models to hundreds of external data sources, APIs, and various model providers. This makes it an excellent choice for building advanced applications that require multi-step reasoning, such as intelligent document analysis or creating sophisticated agents that can interact with the outside world. Deciding between these two powerful tools comes down to your project's specific needs. If you're focused on building highly interactive, streaming AI user interfaces, especially within the Vercel ecosystem, the Vercel AI SDK is likely your best bet. However, for complex, backend-centric AI systems that demand deep data integration, sophisticated agents, and custom orchestration, LangChain offers unparalleled flexibility. Consider your application's architecture and the intricacy of your AI logic to make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.